Okay, tonight is homeward bound, so we find our way home without the use of Google Maps. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! This is such an adventure. Adventure, baby. The bendo machine. So many bendo machines around. So you won't feel thirsty everywhere you go. Ay, nakalagay doon. Toro is life. Speed is life. Kami mga magagandang restaurant dito. O siya, nagpapahinga. GoPro, baby. GoPro. Go for the pro. So yan, lapit lang. Harukoma Honten. Jeez. Oh, Umeda area. You see, that's the Ferris wheel where the last week's firework festival happened. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, we still have how many minutes left? I think we should make it 30 minutes. Nice. I like this kind of ambience. You know, this kind of places. I wanna come to this place. Gusto pumunta rito, oh. Gusto ko ng gulo eh. Kumieta naman eh. Gusto yung gulo dito, ha. Sino ba rito pwede may pagsuntukan? Gusto naman nga itong gulo eh. Merong mga gang dito, oh. Kumeta, sino yung siga rito? Kala nyo ha? Isang sampal lang sa inyo eh. Ayan o, ayan. Diba? Alam nyo, isang suntok lang yan, ganyan lang yan. Isang suntok. Can you see the knuckles? Very big. Okay. We take the other route. Sino bang siga rito, ha? Nagalit niyo ako eh. Huwag niyo akong gagalitin, ha? Sinusubukan niyo ang pasensya ko. Ito, Lawson. We have Lawson here. Ayan o, Lawson. Ano, napaka-boring maglakad dito. Wala man lang na-enkwentro ang harassment. Wala man lang nang hamon ng suntukan dito. Mala ghost fighter na hamon ng suntukan. Alam niyo yun? Wala eh, ang boring eh. So boring, no? Grabe. Bored na ako. Gusto ko nang umuwi. Napaka-corny naman ng kung sa Saudi Arabia na-cornyhan na ako sa paglalakad sa kalye kahit sa sulok na madilim, dito pa sobrang boring. Siguro doon tayo sa Iraq or sa Africa. Yan yung mga best places, no, na makahanap ng gulo. Pa-boring eh, oh. Wala man lang siga rito, oh. Punyeta, oh. Kakainis. Sobrang bait naman nila dito, oh. Yung, oh. Mr. Brother Scott. Oh, huge building for a barber shop. Really? Okay, next time I'll meet you. Batting dome. I will bat you. Bat you. Bat. Batting dome. You use your butt for batting. Oh, Rin. Alright, Rin. You suck. Just kidding. I like you. I love Rin. And Omeda, batting dome. Sukiya, hello. Sukiya is famous actually. Yan yung rival ni Yoshinoya. Okay. Oh, there's a gun, revolver. So, ayun. Yan ang purpose ng GoPro, no? To take some action. Ito, hindi ko na alam itong lugar na to. Itong lugar, grabe, hindi ko alam itong lugar na to. Pero we have to cross. Kailangan mag-cross eh. You Ay nako, napaka-boring. Ito, meron pang mga spray pang nalalaman, no? Wala namang siga rito. Punyeta, oh. Walang binatbat, walang latoy. Anyway, itong place na to is good for hardworking people, no? Hardworking people just like you, not me, because I am you. Family Mart. So many Family Marts here in Japan. I don't know why, but they said there are so many cities around. It's a vending machine. Ang price ₱150. Ay, ito yun pala. Recycle. Ayan yung basura nila para mag-recycle. Pero mag-green. Sheesh. So, what's this place? Hotel. It's a hotel, they said. Napawisan na ako, dick. Wala pa akong nasasampal dito eh. Sino yung nasasampal natin? Only 8 minutes past. Only 8 minutes. Hotel, Love Hotel. Is it green? Okay, it's time to go. Green! It's for our safety. Oh, very fast car. Not a car, it's a motorcycle. Remember, walk safely. Oh, look, it's a bowling ball. Don Quixote, eh? Yan, darating na tayo sa Don Quixote. Ito, meron pang isa pang katulad ko. Kumukha ni, alam mo na. Titingin-tingin pa rito, buwisit. Ano yung ice cream? Ice cream, ah. Big Echo, Becho. Kala ko Bencho. Ito na ata yung ano. Ay! Bowling alley. Go. Bowling alley, yeah. Sheesh. Hindi man mukhang nerdy ang aking ano, no? Damit. Hindi man siguro nerdy, ano? Cool pa rin tayo, cool. Cool as ice. Wow, ice cream. 150. Don Quixote. Wow, Don Quixote. Don Quixote. Wait, this is the best part. Merong eel. Look, there's an eel. Merong fish, oh. Oh, ito pala yung Don Quixote. Don Quixote. Don Quixote. Yeah. No touching, huh? No pee touch. Okay? Okay? No pee touch. Merong eel, oh. Ano mga eel? Eel. I'm so eel. Ganda ng eel, oh. Eel. Eel. Okay, let's go. It's finished. Wait. Record natin to. We are tourists for a night. Tomorrow hindi tayo pala ngayon tourist kasi merong ano, prayer or something. Prayer meeting. Busy ako, trabaho. Sarap kaya yan? Ice cream? Smoking. Wanna try? Meron silang matcha. Drink lang. Only milk tea. Milk tea. Gusto na ako eh. I'm stuffed actually. Okay, let's go back. Baby, go back. Bottle of water. Grabe. Sana all. Sana all bading. Okay. Uwi na tayo. Saan ba tayo galing? Maybe I think we came from these points, right? There's a subway here. Namco. Namco. Hi. Namco. Ooh. One Piece. Red film showing. Pagod. Salita. Komentary. Okay. Ito pa yung Namco. Namco. Hero Academia. Hero Academia. Pangit naman ang Namco rito. Siguro maganda yung sa ano, sa Nanba or Nanba. Yan, mga police pala to, no? Mga to, naka-uniforme. Akala ko security guard lang. Wala silang ginagawa. Wait a second. Dito tayo. Dito tayo mag-exit. Remember? Diba? Hankyu. Exit na tayo. Alala mo pa saan tayo tumawid? No idea. Let's try our luck here and get lost. Sarap ng ano, no? Sarap. Sarap ng ating ito ba yung Sanrio? Maybe, huh? Balikan mo nga. Oh, can turn that. Baka yun San Rio, bro. Gusto mong bumalik? Bobo ka kasi. Bobo. Bobo. Mama. Oh, ikot ulit tayo. Bobo kasi. Pawisan na ang init. Ang init! Shit! Basa na ang aking brief. Ano yung brief? Ibig sabihin ng brief? Maikling damit. Brief. Very short. Ibig sabihin meron ng short sa loob. Kaya brief. Bobo. Bobo mo talaga. Bobo. Oh, Shinsei Bank. Awesome. Maybe baka nandito yung San Rio. Oh, gift gate to. Tama ba ng pinuntahan natin? Oh, ang ganda, no? Ah. Walang kiro-kiropi. Walang kiro-kiropi. Nice. Kiro-kiropi. Para saan ba to? Disabled? Parang sa mentally disabled. Like me. Like me. Okay, balik tayo. Kaya makauwi na tayo agad. Dahil bobo ko talaga. I'm so bobo. You're so bobo. Ang daming bobo tulad ko. Oh, saan ang daan? Hindi ko na alam. Dito tayo galing eh. Dito tayo sa YT. YT shit. Kyoto University of Arts. Okay, saan tayo uwi? I think we went last time this way, to the left. Remember? Remember nakita natin yung Omi Rice.